Welcome to your meditation to awaken and inspire the creative consciousness that resides within. Bring your hands together in front of your heart and let's take a breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Begin to rub your hands together. Rubbing with enough pressure and power that you feel a little bit of that friction. That friction starts to create heat, and that heat starts to create maybe a tingle sensation, that vibration that lets you know you're awake. Keep going. Don't lose your oomph. Don't lose your power. So your biceps might start to turn on, your arms might start to work, but see if you can relax your shoulders. We'll go for about 10 more seconds, rubbing the palms with a little pressure, creating that electricity. You're awake, you're alive, and it's a gift. 3, 2, 1, and then let your hands hover just an inch from each other so the palms still face, and you might feel those little pricks or those little pulses of energy. Take a few rounds of Ujjayi pranayama, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Keep going with that and let your hands rest on your thighs with your palms facing the sky. Ocean breath in. Ocean breath out. As you breathe, you can let the breath be perhaps a little bigger than a breath you might use in your asana practice. So quite a big Ujjayi pranayama, waking up pranic system. But while you do this, allow the belly to soften. It might be useful to establish your seat, so notice the ground underneath you, whatever you're sitting on. Let your legs and pelvis heavy, so you feel anchored. And you can relax the abdomen enough to feel this powerful, fluid, ocean energy move in and out of your skin, your muscles, the glandular system. You can feel this ocean breath move in and out of your energy field. Take 2 or 3 more breaths just like that. Soft belly. Ocean sound in the skull, in the throat, and in the mind. When it's natural next for you to inhale, breathe in through your nose and let the breath feel rich. Breathe out through your mouth and let the exhale feel satisfying, long, but not forced. Again, a rich inhale through the nose And a satisfying, emptying breath out the mouth. One more time. With your next in-breath through the nose, stretch your arms wide out to the side and then up above, tracing a big arc. Let the fingertips touch and draw that shape into your heart. Hakini mudra, so the palms are hovering almost like a prayer. And then inhale, again, arms and hands circle out wide. Fingertips touch overhead. Breathe out the nose and draw that down the center line of the third eye and the heart. One more time. Breathe in, sweep arms wide. You can lift your eyes and chest a bit. Breathe out through the third eye and the anahata, heart center. Shift now the fingertips to rest on top of the shoulders. So like little cups, tips of fingers on the tops of the shoulders, and then open your elbows out wide. So your upper arms are parallel to the ground beneath you. Let's take a simple breath first. How about in through the nose and out through the mouth to clear? So you can kind of reset. And then you breathe in and twist to the right. Breathe out and twist to the left. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Knowing that you have the sovereignty to know what your body needs. If your energy feels stagnant and you want to kind of open the portals to receive clarity, then move quick. In, out, in, out, in, out. Breathing out when you shift to the left, breathing in when you twist to the right. And if you feel as though your energy is actually a bit dysregulated, maybe anxious feeling, you can still make your breath dynamic, but move slow and keep the focus on what's touching the earth as you breathe in and you breathe out. Twisting, breathing, clearing anything that's heavy, anything that's stuck. Getting the blood pumping, receiving fresh pranic energy, downloading from source, if you will, this limitless vessel from which to draw inspiration, from which to give and be of service. 30 more seconds. In, out, breath moves. Home stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause through center. Breathe in and stretch your arms up and wide like the letter V. You can let your fingers kind of be soft. Hold your breath in. Lift your pelvic floor, lift your belly, but relax your shoulders. See if you can sip one more bit of breath in, sitting tall, and then open the mouth. Exhale, but keep the arms. From here, stretch your fingers open wide. You can breathe naturally through your nose, and then as you exhale, clasp your hands into fists. Inhale, open the hands wide. Exhale, clasp your hands into fists. And when you clasp the fists, let the thumb come inside the pads of the fingers. Try one more slow. Breathe in, open the hands wide, really stretch the fingers, and then exhale, clasp the thumb inside the finger pads. And then start to open and close your hands quite quickly. but the breath can stay long and smooth. Open and close your hands as quick as lights up your forearms, lights up your wrists. You'll probably feel this one quick. Only 30 more seconds. You're awake, you're alive, and it's a gift. Ten. 5 more seconds. Inhale, stretch your arms above, let your fingertips touch Hakini Mudra. And then as you exhale, draw that shape into the heart. And this time, let your palms press. Pause. Land in your body. Belly soft, heart bright. Body strong, mind clear, possibilities limitless. Take another full breath in and out, unhurried. Release your hands kind of in front of you and just start to give your hands a shake so you're really shaking out the wrists. The hands move freely. You can get a little force going on in this one as you kind of let the hands almost flap. This is a nice release for the wrists. And then start to stretch your arms higher as you continue shaking and let the whole arms shake. So this move really comes from the shoulders and the torso might start to get involved. You might get a bit circular with the arms and the hands. Shaky, 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 shaky for 10 more seconds. Shaking, shaking, shaking. 5 more seconds. Inhale, circle your arms above, let your fingertips touch, all elements integrated into the heart center as you draw a prayer down into that space. Let's take one final breath together. Feeling clear, feeling stable, feeling possibility. Thank you so much for making your practice a priority. Sat Nam.